Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create a brand new website with Astra and Elementor with AI. So the website will look like this. This website is created with Astra and AI. You can earn money by creating a website on Fiverr.com as a freelancer, or you can create your own website for your own business. So I will show you how you can create the website like this, and this content are created by AI. You can see these contents are created by AI. So you will need just 1 to 2 minutes to create this whole website. So stay with us till the end of this video. We will show you how you can sell website creation services on freelancing marketplaces. First of all, we have to install a fresh WordPress website. Then you need to go to the appearance, themes, then add a new theme, search for Astra, install the Astra theme, then click active and activate the theme. Then you can see this button, let's get started with the starter template. Click here. It will activate the starter template. Then you can see these two options, AI website builder and classic starter templates. So click in this AI website builder, try the new AI builder. Then let's get started. It's free, so it will redirect it to the Jeep WP AI. We need to continue. Now you need to fill up these forms. Name of the website. My client give me a brief for the website, so the website genre is self-sufficient. I am putting this as a name of this website. Then the type, so we will try to find the type. So the type is not listed here. We can create a new type. So my type is survival. Then the language is English by default. Then let's continue. So now we need to put some description about the website. So my client already give the description, so I am just copying the description and paste it in the site. So let's continue. And the phone number, so I'm giving some fake email address. So you can add social media icons here, social media links here. So I am not adding it now, skipping it. Let's continue. Here some images are came. You can choose images if you like any, or you can just continue. Now you can see the AI generated few options. You can review all the options and choose any of the option for your website. So I am choosing the second one. Here you can upload your site logo. Here you can change your color palettes. Here you can change your font of your website. So I am putting the defaults. Let's continue. Features. Here some features are available, so you can add those features to get the required plugins installed. So I am putting all the features. Continue. Yeah, the AI is start building the website. It will take up to 1 to 2 minutes to create the whole website. Boom, the website is created within 5 minutes. It took longer because of the additional features we checked. So now see your website. You can see the website look like this. Here is the header part with contents, footer. So the contents are created by the AI. You can change it. You can change everything, and you can see the about page. There are some content also created by AI. These contents are relevant to this niche. Those contents are relevant to your niche that you put on this description. So please make sure you put a correct description that meets the requirements of your websites, of your clients. So how you can edit this website? Click on the edits page. It will reload this page, and here you can change the contents. This is very simple, like future. You can change it to past. I'll change word by word, anything you can change here. And you can see the styling on the right. You can change the width, change the border radius, everything you can change from here. You can change the text from here, and you can make it bold, So there are multiple designing option to change changing option, and this is very simple. Anyone can do that. Now I will show you how you can get client for selling website creation service. So go to the fiverr.com. You can see this section, website design. If you click here, you can see the gigs. There are many gigs. So what you need to do, you need to create a gig or multiple gig on creation on website creation. With new seller on Fiverr, you can create up to 5 gigs. So the gigs will be look like this. So you need to create 5 gigs on website creation, then you will get the client very fast on fiverr.com, because on fiverr.com getting client is very easy, and everyone get the first client within 30 days. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment and share this video if this video is helpful to you.